The overall goal of this procedure is to show other investigators how to determine kidney function in awake mice. This is accomplished by first dialyzing fluorescein isothiocyanate, or FITC, inulin for 24 hours and determining its concentration for injection. The second step is to weigh the mouse, prepare accurate volumes of FITC inulin for retrobulbar injection, and anesthetize the mouse. Next, the retrobulbar FITC inulin injection is performed and 8 blood samples are taken over a 75-minute period. The final step is to measure FITC inulin using a microvolume fluorospectrometer and to calculate kidney function by employing a two-phase exponential decay model. Ultimately, combining the sensitivity of the FITC inulin single bolus injection method with the microvolume capability of the fluorospectrometer allows for detecting differences in kidney function caused by genetic modifications in mice, dietary changes, or drug applications.
The main advantages of this technique over existing methods, like continuous infusion under anesthetized conditions, implantation of osmotic mini-pumps, or using radioactive inulin, are that no surgery is needed, it is not a terminal experiment, no urine has to be collected, and it is possible to measure up to 24 mice per day. I will be demonstrating this procedure together with Maria Gerasimova, a research associate from my laboratory.
To prepare the FITC inulin injection solution, weigh enough FITC inulin for 2 milliliters of a 5% solution. Dissolve the labeled inulin in 0.85% sodium chloride solution by heating to 90 degrees Celsius until completely dissolved. Place a piece of 20 cm dialysis membrane in double distilled water for 30 minutes.